Hey y'all, it's Danny with Escape Power Sports. Today we're going to be doing some UTV upgrade and accessory videos on this 2013 Can-Am Commander 1000, starting with this budget-friendly winch. In order to keep these videos as short and helpful as possible, we're going to break it down into two parts. The first part is going to be how to mount the winch, and the second part is how to wire it. First, we're going to remove the radiator covers on each side. No tools are going to be required for this. We'll just pop out the 3 rubber grommets. Next, we're going to remove the 8 bolts that hold on our front fascia. We'll need a Torx 30 star bit. These two in the middle have a 10mm nut on the back, so we'll need a wrench to get them out. Don't forget about these two guys hiding on the back side of the front fascia. Then we'll remove the access cover with 2 pop rivets and set it aside because it's the only piece that won't be reinstalled. Now we have access to throw our winch plate in there. It'll go in with the provided hardware that came with the kit, and the longer of the 2 bolts will go in the back. Now we can head over to our table and attach the fairlead that came with our winch to the fairlead bracket that was included with the KFI winch plate. Now everything's in place, we can set our winch on the mounting plate and attach both the fairlead bracket and the winch with the 4 bolts that were included in the box with our winch. Now this is where this project gets fun. We're going to put the front fascia back on and it won't clear the fairlead. No worries though, we'll just mark any areas that are touching with a Sharpie. Now we'll take a quick look around the garage and grab the most precise cutting tool available. In our case, it's a Sawzall with a wrecker blade, but if you've got a Dremel, that'd probably work even better. It's a good idea to take our time and cut away the plastic marked with a Sharpie. I had to repeat this process of marking and cutting until it fit perfect. With our front fascia trimmed and fitting nicely, it's time to reinstall it with the 8 bolts. These two in the middle have a 10mm nut on the back, so we'll need a wrench. Don't forget about these two guys. Only thing left to do is pop in our radiator covers and we'll be done. And just like that, we've got our winch mounted up to our machine. If you want to see how to wire it, click in the description for part 2 where we'll be tackling winch wiring. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If it wasn't helpful for you, I'd understand, but if you don't mind, comment in the section below and let me know how I can make these videos better for you. We'll see y'all on the trails.